Here I've got Tecno Camon C8 and let me show you how to add photo to a contact on the following device. So at first you have to open your contacts. Here select the contact that you would like to add the profile picture to, tap on edit icon, which is this one, and now tap on the profile picture and you can either take a photo or choose one from the gallery if you have one. So let me pick, for example, take photo, and if someone is standing right in front of you, you can smoothly grab a photo. Let me do it. Now confirm by tapping on confirmation mark. And that's it. Tap on confirmation mark one more time to save the changes. And from now on, every time Tim will be calling you, this brand new picture that you added will be displayed on your screen. So that would be all. This is how you can add profile picture to a contact in Tecno Camon C8. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.